Hi, in this video we will discuss the topic linear and quadratic graphs with the help of this exam question. So first of all, we do have a question which is, here is a sketch of the graph y equals to minus 2x plus 6, and we do have the sketch of the straight line as well, and we need to complete the coordinates of C and D. The x coordinate of C is given as 0 and the y coordinate of D is given as 0. We need to find the y coordinate of C and the x coordinate of D. So if you look on the graph, C intersects the y-axis and D intersect the graph at x-axis, and we know that where the graph intersect the y-axis, we need to sub in x equals to 0 into the equation to get the answer, and when the graph intersect the x-axis, we need to put y equals to 0 into the equation to get the coordinate over here. So first of all, if you put x equals to 0 into it, so you will get y equals to minus 2 times 0 plus 6. So y equals to minus 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, is y equals to 6. So that means the point C intersects the y-axis at 6, so the coordinate should be 0 and 6, so the answer is 6 over here. So for the other coordinate at D, because D intersect the graph at x-axis, so at x-axis y would be 0. So when you sub in y equals to 0 into this equation, so it should be 0 equals to minus 2x plus 6. Now if you take away 6 from both sides, so minus 6 on both sides, so you'll get minus 6 equals to minus 2x, and divide by minus 2 on both sides, and minus 2 cancels out, and minus cancels. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so x equals to 3. So that means the point D intersect the x-axis at 3, and the x coordinate of the D is 3. Now the next we do have a sketch of the quadratic graph, and we need to complete the following statements, and the statement is the value of the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is where the graph intersect the y-axis, so it is 5. Now the next question is the x coordinate of the turning point T is. So what is the x coordinate of the turning point T? So we know that this quadratic graph is symmetric. So against the turning point, we do have the same distance on both ends. So from minus 2 up to 8, we can see the total length from this point up to this point is 10 units. So the halfway should be the 5 units. If you go from here to here, minus 2 to 0, so it's minus 2 units, and then we need to go from here to here is 3, so 2 units from here to here, and then 3 units from here to here is 5, and then 3 to 5, the rest of the distance up to 8. So that means over here the x coordinate would be 3, because 3 from 0 to 3, these are the 3 units, and then 0 to 2, these are the 2 units, so it's total 5, and 3 to 5, this is the rest distance from here to here. So that means the x coordinate over here is 3 for the turning point. Thank you.